سورة القيامة.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful.
لا أقسم بيوم القيامة.
I swear by the day of resurrection.
ولا أقسم بالنفس اللوامة.
And I swear by the self-reproaching person.
أيحسب الإنسان أن لن نجمع عظامه.
Does man think that we shall not assemble his bones?
بلى قادرين على أن نسوي بنانه.
Yes, we are able to put together in perfect order the tips of his fingers.
بل يريد الإنسان ليفجر أمامه.
Nay, man desires to continue committing sins.
يسأل أيان يوم القيامة.
He asks, when will be this day of resurrection?
فإذا برق البصر.
So, when the sight shall be dazed,
وخسف القمر.
and the moon will be eclipsed,
وجمع الشمس والقمر.
and the sun and moon will be joined together.
يقول الإنسان يومئذ أين المفر.
On that day man will say, where is the refuge to flee?
كلا لا وزر.
No, there is no refuge.
إلى ربك يومئذ المستقر.
Unto your Lord will be the place of rest that day.
ينبأ الإنسان يومئذ بما قدم وأخر.
On that day, man will be informed of what he sent forward and what he left behind.
بل الإنسان على نفسه بصيرة.
Nay, man will be a witness against himself.
ولو ألقى معاذيره.
Though he may put forth his excuses.
لا تحرك به لسانك لتعجل به.
Move not your tongue concerning the Quran, to make haste therewith.
إن علينا جمعه وقرآنه.
It is for us to collect it and to give you the ability to recite it.
فإذا قرأناه فاتبع قرآنه.
And when we have recited it to you, then follow its recitation.
ثم إن علينا بيانه.
Then it is for us to make it clear to you.
كلا بل تحبون العاجلة.
Not as you think that you, mankind, will not be resurrected and recompensed for your deeds, but you love the present life of this world.
وتذرون الآخرة.
And neglect the hereafter.
وجوه يومئذ ناظرة.
Some faces that day shall be shining and radiant,
إلى ربها ناظرة.
looking at their Lord.
ووجوه يومئذ باسرة.
And some faces that day will be dark, gloomy, frowning and sad.
تظن أن يفعل بها فاقرة.
Thinking that some calamity is about to fall on them.
كلا إذا بلغت التراقي وقيل من راق.
Nay, when the soul reaches to the collarbone, and it will be said, who can cure him?
وظن أنه الفراق
And he will conclude that it was the time of parting.
والتفت الساق بالساق
And one leg will be joined with another leg, shrouded.
إلى ربك يومئذ المساق
The drive will be on that day to your Lord.
فلا صدق ولا صلى
So he neither believed nor prayed,
ولكن كذب وتولى
but on the contrary he denied and turned away.
ثم ذهب إلى أهله يتمطى
Then he walked in conceit to his family, admiring himself.
أولى لك فأولى
Woe to you, and then woe to you.
ثم أولى لك فأولى
Again woe to you, and then again woe to you.
أيحسب الإنسان أن يترك سدى
Does man think that he will be left neglected?
ألم يك نطفة من مني يمنى
Was he not mixed drops of male and female sexual discharge emitted?
ثم كان علقة فخلق فسوى
Then he became a clot, then shaped and fashioned in due proportion.
فجعل منه الزوجين الذكر والأنثى
And made of him two sexes, male and female.
أليس ذلك بقادر على أن يحيي الموتى
Is not he able to give life to the dead?